Mahmud of Ghazni. In the 10th century, Turk Muslim conquerors from Central Asia came to the subcontinent and established their rule in India. Mahmud Ghazni succeeded his father Subtagin, founded the Ghaznavid dynasty when he was 27 years old. He was the first to use the title of Sultan. Sultan Mahmud Ghazni expanded his kingdom from Isfahan in the west to India in the east. He invaded the subcontinent 17 times. After becoming Sultan, Mahmud wanted to expand his empire toward the west into Persia. India, compared to Persia, was weaker and much richer. Every time he attacked India, he went deeper inland and entered into new territories. In one of his campaigns in Sopnath, he broke the idols and found hidden treasures in them. This act earned him the title Mahmud, the idol breaker. He later conquered Punjab as well. During his rule, Ghazni was transformed into a grand state with library, mosques, schools, gardens, and good living standards. Famous poets like Firdausi and scholars like Al-Biruni, a great historian, and many artists were part of his court. Sultan Mahmud did not stay in India but returned to Ghazni, leaving his very capable general Ayaz as the governor of Lahore. During Ayaz's rule, the city of Lahore became a cultural and academic center, and many renowned buildings were constructed. Mahmud died in 1030 Common Era at the age of 59 and was buried in a simple tomb in Ghazni.